So, the type command, it will search actually where the location of the particular command is there. When you use type, it will give you the path of the particular command. Okay? Type of command and look where it is, that information will be sharing when you are using command called type. So, type command is used to describe how its argument would be translated. It also used to find, it's also used to find the built-in or external binary file. So, we have the syntax for event type. The syntax is type space option space the command name. Even you can give option for the type command. If you don't know, if you need a still help, type space hyphen help, it will give you the information, right. As I said, the syntax, it is type option and then command name. So, if you type the command name as we discussed just now, type and give again type, it will give you the result that type is built in, that is shell bulletin. It indicates that this is your built in command or internal command. So, the syntax of type is type space, either if you have option you can use option and space command name. If you give this, it will give you the information for the type command. What is the type command it is used? So, any file, if you have any executable program and you want to know the location of the particular where it is located, right, it's very difficult to find, somewhere it will be there. If you want to search where is the location of the particular executable program, just give the type space whatever the command option, it will locate the path of that particular executable programs. So, give type space ls